Good morning, students and viewers. Today's topic or subject is about superpower. In the world, there are many countries or nations become superpower. Superpower means they can do anything, not like that. Super means should be a role model. So, India is also going to become superpower. India is very understanding people, peace-loving people. We never engage war or anything. But many people came to India, conquered, seized everything and taken words. British came to India, Portuguese came to India, Alexander came to India. Then French came to India, Arabs came to India, taken all things. India is full of prosperity. They got jealous, they spread it everywhere. But we are Indians. We become superpower, but we won't be so proud. We are helping mentality. We are charismatic and philanthropist people. We are a helping hand. We have soft heart, sympathy, mercy, love with fellow human beings. Because Indian philosophy is the best philosophy in the world. They admired and adored everywhere in the world. We priority for family, joint family, father, mother, everything. But nowadays all to be reduced. See, sister means brother got more affection of sisters. First give priority for sisters marriage, then only brothers get married. Father, mother serious start immediately. They come from even military because love, sympathy, respect towards mother. Similarly, every Indians are peace loving people. If you become a superpower, don't act like a king cobra. King cobra means I am the above all. I can kill all snake and other frog, everything. Not like that. When you become higher and higher, be simple and humble. That is the meaning of superpower. Superpower means making arms and war equipment supplied to other countries and engaging war means that is not a superpower. It means something negative. Similarly, the rich man become rich, he should be humble and simple. Then God help him increase his assets like anything. So always become humble and simple. Then superpower. I am superpower means I am not so something. I am not a Hitler to kill and all. I am superpower means I am rich man or you are rich man. He is rich man. But be simple and humble. Then God reside in your heart and brain. If you are rich, if you are proud and against the will of God, God will never reside in your heart and mind. So, superpower means never think that captured other nations, engaging war and clapping the hand, don't act like a sadist. Now all worlds are making terrible war equipments to fight each other. See, we are from one family, from God, we are brothers and sisters. Why you are fighting against other nations? Why can't you love? Why can't you support and help financially and all? War is not a solution. In the history of the world war, we have seen through World War, crores of people died, many become handicapped, jobless, food famine, food shortage, completely polluted air we breathed during World War II. Japan, somebody dropped atom bomb in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Japan reduced to ashes. 3 lakhs, more than 3 lakh people died on the spot. The polluted air, the poisonous air remained more than 6 years. The surrounding area, the people breathed the poisonous air, they become unhealthy. This is a result of war. Superpower means not like that. I can do anything. No. So you may be king cobra or there are other snakes are there. They have gone that much strength. But be a role model. That is called super. I am super. That's nowadays no respect. Every nation is happy to help others with war equipments and support and clapping the hand, enjoy from far away. This is it against the will of God? Is it like God? God never likes such things. There is no development in such nations. Not such person can improve their life, keeping something wrong, negative thoughts and reside in the neighborhood. What you can develop? Your brain completely filled with negative energy, and this negative energy will remain those generation to generation, suffer your next 100 generation. Curse from God, curse from the people. So always, if you are king or rich man, richest man, be humble and simple. That is my only good suggestion. If you are interested, listen. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. No one has subscribed my channel so far. I have given a speech more than 10,000 students and viewers. So far, nobody has subscribed my channel. If you are interested, please subscribe channel. Okay? Have a nice day. God bless you.